This video presents how EEG data is captured and recorded using OpenBCI software, lab recorder, and Python scripts to capture data. The first thing we want to do to get started is launch our OpenBCI GUI and start the data stream. Once all the electrodes are in operational values, we can then boot up our LSL stream. After everything seems like it's operating correctly, we can head over to our lab recorder. In our lab recorder, as we can see, we have the two streams started, as mentioned in the paper. One is the OpenBCI stream, as mentioned here, and the other is the Python stream, the marker stream, where we attach our string markers to our voltage values detected by the OpenBCI. If we head over to our program, and this isn't running currently, so if we were to head back here and update, we should see one disappear. Once we actually begin running the Python script, we head over to lab recorder and click update, and there you go. There's a Python stream. Hit the check mark, hit start. So the time will start going. We don't have to worry about too much, like between changing from this window to the Python window, as the data will not be pushed through until we call those events. So let's head over to the Python script. We can see that it tells us to hit begin. We do so, we should see these events pop up really fast. I set them to be this way because I've done this many times, and these 10 events are just to get you in the same zone, to calm your nerves, to get you in the idea of just imagining your right or left hand moving. If you were to do this yourself, you can obviously set the correct timing in for these and practice them. I don't really want to because I did it many times and it was fairly annoying after a while. But once the data actually starts collecting, these values picked up with the marker streams are being sent to the XDF file. As you can see, they are in randomized order, so you have one left, one right, maybe two left, and then after 20 triggers, you'll be triggered with the rest, so you can take a break. This is wearing and tiring, so I implemented only 20 interval takes until rest. You want to move as least as possible when taking this data. You want to be in the most comfortable position and just relax, and you want to take in data. So if we were to participate, we see that the next command will be left. You would imagine moving your left. Try not to move any body part around, try not to tense muscles. You just want to relax and follow the events on the terminal. And yeah, as you can see, that is the very basic idea of recording and capturing EEG data. After a while, around six collected data trials, the program will end. And then you head over to lab recorder and you would click stop. As you can see, that's how much our data file is, that's how long we've been recording for. If we hit stop, we can actually head over to the storage location, and we would see that this is our data. Sorry, that was the old one. This is a new one, about 1.37 gigs, and it matched the number that was over there previously. And yep, that is all it is to EEG data capturing and storing.